Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and what I'm holding here is something you might not have seen before, because this is a light bulb, and it's on, and it's fading out, and it's not plugged into anything. Very, very interesting. These are the actual, the Neporo, I believe is how they're pronounced, MagicGlow light bulbs. Now, these are not your ordinary light bulbs. No, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a review, a little overview? Because we got something special. Can you hook us up with a review? Who am I to say no? But no way whatsoever will these being provided to me positively or negatively affect my review. Let's get into it. So this just happens to be a pack of two. There's two. And it comes with two light fixtures, as you can see here. It does come with a USB to USB-C cord, which we'll plug in there. You'll notice it also has a regular light bulb socket, obviously. And then it has one of these handy dandy if you want to screw this in and then use this to, let's just say, hang. Because it's not plugged in anything, as you notice. Well, these cool little lights serve a couple different things. I'm gonna try to highlight them as fast as possible, get all your questions answered. So, they have a built-in battery. So the battery can't be changed, it's built in, and it lasts for, I don't know, I guess the batteries are good to go as far as the battery working for a very long time. It does say on the package that the first time you should use these, even though I didn't list the package, you should charge them for up to 4 hours. And so how this works is you got two different options. You can screw it in, and then being screwed in will keep it charged. Let's just say the power goes out in your house, these can come on. You can turn them on via a touch, and which is right there. And then you also have a remote, and then both these lights can operate off the same remote. As you can see, you can turn them both on, both off. The remote has a couple different lights. Let's get them the same here. So this is 100%, 50%. You can change the colors from white to more of a natural white to a warm light. So you got three different color options, and then you can fade these in or out from a brightness standpoint. You can really go down and then up. Very, very interesting. No, just kidding. So it also has a timer on here to where you can set either in 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. So these things are gonna go for a good bit of time once they are charged. But use case is you have them in your regular lights, they're doing their thing, they're illuminating your house, let's just say. And then, like I said, the power goes out, and then you have these for a good amount of time. You just go over and you just take them out and you get to use them. You also have the convenience, like I mentioned, of the remote, or if you want to put these somewhere and you don't have like an outlet you want it screwed into, well then you could charge it with the plug. It doesn't need to be plugged in, obviously, to use it, because this one's not plugged in. But you can charge it with the plug and then go and like hang it in a closet or wherever you want to have it. And then you just have your remote on standby, and you can do your thing and turn it off, and you're good to go. Imagine if you went like camping or somewhere where you needed some illumination, but you didn't have a socket and you wanted to have something nice and neat. Got three different colors, whole bunch of fading options as I just mentioned. And they're just the regular size, the regular light bulb. So if you're evaluating these, hopefully that answered any questions you have. The reason they keep turning on is because they keep hitting the the button right here. All these questions hopefully got answered for you that you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.